What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And if I sound like I'm motherfucking excited, I am. I'm about to get my car back, man. Woo! And get them Ric Flairs in. Woo! Oh, man. I'm so happy if it's right. You know, I got my hopes up a few weeks ago. You guys know I went to go pick my car up a few weeks ago, and the whole ass end of my car was still bent all the fuck up. So hopefully now with the new control arms, and I guess they did upper and lower in the rear, 4 brand new wheels, 4 brand new tires, brand new suspension in the front. They tweaked a couple things that needed to be tweaked with the frame. I'm hoping that it drives straight, because what we're about to do is we're going to go get it, and I'm going to put the manager in the passenger seat with me. And I'm going to go put the Petty Roosevelt through its paces. And we're going to find out if she drives straight, if she shakes, if the hubs are bad, if there's any other issues with it. We want to make sure it's right. Now, I know you're going to say, well, TK, what if it's still not right? If it's still not right, I'm probably going to just say fuck it and take it and just bring it to another shop, and then of my choosing, and then I'll just bill USAA for the fucking repairs at this point. Because look, and here's the thing. This is not, I'm not shitting on the body shop. This body shop is nothing like that fucking disaster at Collision Works at all. All right? It's nowhere near that shit show that we dealt with in Oklahoma. Okay? But, you know, I don't know. Like, I know they're a direct repair facility for USAA, but I kind of feel like when the car came in and you inspected it and you saw this is not like a normal car, shit ton of sensors, adaptive suspension, all of that, and you don't have anybody that does that, you say, hey, we can't fix this car. You tell USAA, we can't do this one. You know, we can do the body work, but we're going to send it to BMW to get everything else done. At that point, USAA would have been like, negative, fuck that. Like I said in the last video, like the BMW dealership called me, and it was like $3,800 in just parts. Jesus Christ, that's not me. So supposedly they got it all dusted off and cleaned. Hopefully my $14,000 in wheels are in the trunk. We're hoping for that. And what else? And hopefully it drives straight. We're going to find out, because I'm literally going to put this car through its paces when we get there, and we're going to see what's good. I got about a 10-minute drive, so for you guys it'll be a snap of a finger, but we're going to go ahead and get over there and find out what exactly is going on, and what, if any, issues it may still have, and we'll document those. We'll get it on video. I'm going to go ahead and just probably take it at that point anyway, and like I said, I'll just take it to another shop, because, you know, do I want to wait? Because it's not, and like I said, this is not a dig at the body shop. It's not. Because I know what they're going to do. They're just going to send it back to BMW and be like, okay, we need this done, this done, and this done. Why is the car shaking? Or why is the car doing? I'm not saying that it is. The car could be perfect when I get there, and if it is, bing, excited. I don't know what the situation is going to be with the car. I'm just hoping. Oh boy. So you heard the phone call coming in. That's somebody that actually, so you guys know, like, people see the car, they follow me. Like, I get inside information. All right, so somebody that works in the shop in the back called and was like, you know, they speak Spanish, and he was like, yo, you know, the guy that actually was doing the work on your car, the mechanic or whatever, says it still didn't feel right to him, whatever. And I was like, all right, cool, I appreciate the heads up. We'll see if they tell me that when we get there. You know, honesty is the best policy. Don't fuck with me. All right, just don't fuck with me. You know, I understand that there could be, it's undercarriage damage. The car could have an extra tweak or something else somewhere in the frame or the subframe where it's never going to be right. It's true. I mean, it's not every day that you blow up a curb at however fast I was going. And, you know, there's not much you can do, you know. So we'll just go ahead and get there, and then we'll sort through it, and we'll see what exactly the situation is. So let's go there and let's be positive, thumbs up positive that the car is going to be good. and we'll go from there. Look, if you're an East Coast guy or gal, you're used to the traffic stuff, right? Or if you, like me, I grew up in Boston and New York, so I'm used to this. This doesn't like make me pull my hair out and shit. It's still aggravating. But like if you're from like wide open Texas or Oklahoma or friggin' Kansas or anything, and then you come here, this will drive you nuts. All right, like seriously will drive you nuts, because it's not even just the fact of the traffic is bad. The traffic is super congested and these idiots can't drive. That's what makes it bad. It's congested and these idiots can't drive. So anyways, so we're almost here. We're gonna be pulling up here to the body shop here in a minute. Oh, it's right here. I've almost missed my turn. Yeah, shut up. We don't care. I am very tempted to see if they got the Petty Roosevelt outside. Oh man. Okay, that looked like it hurt. Oof. Ouch. All right, I don't see my baby out front, so we're gonna have to go. Like I told them, so we're gonna have to take her up. There she is. There she is. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. Oh my God, it looks so good. It looks so good. Oh. All right. All right. I don't wanna. I'm not gonna panic or not. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. We just took it for a test drive, and she still shakes under braking. She's definitely gonna need her pads done, I think, and probably the rotors. Looks like I'm missing my wheel caps all the way around. There's one there. The only other thing I noticed that was crazy is this, like these fasteners that hold all this. See how she's kind of loose? They didn't tighten this stuff up, and it's kind of shoddy work, but whatever. I'm hoping that when I tighten this up it fits, but it looks like it's not. Oh well. So that's not right. This one's completely missing the screw on this side. Okay, interesting. The repair looks good though. You can't really tell that it had that damage over here. It looks good. How's it going? Yeah, I'm hot, and I'm slightly aggravated. And it's not going to get any better. It's not. We are again leaving the Petty Roosevelt here because it's not done. Well, looks like the Petty Roosevelt's going to be here another day. I am wondering why this wheel does not look right. I'm hoping they have the right, like the rear wheel on the rear. I didn't really look, but I'm almost thinking they got the back tire on the front and the front tire on the rear. You guys look at that deepness of those and let me know what you guys think. Doesn't it look like that a little bit? Maybe I'm wrong. I'll have to look at the tire sizes. You know what, I can do that right now. Hold on. I want to see that right now. See if the wrong size is on the wrong thing, because that would cause the look that I'm seeing. 275, 35, 19. No, it's right. All right. We're good. So, now that I'm thoroughly sweating fucking balls, I'm sad. We gotta leave the Petty Roosevelt here again. Unbelievable. fucking hot. So when my car came in, it had no check engine lights, right? There was no air codes. It just had damage, all right? Now, they aligned it. They tried to do whatever with a bent rear axle, and they kind of messed up the traction control. Fix that. Now it feels like my car is shaking and vibrating at 45, 50 miles an hour. So she goes to check engine code, and it gives an active shutter error code. Like the sensor is giving an active shutter error code. Now, part of that is probably because they had to take apart the whole front of the car when they took apart the front of the car when they did the bumper. Now I'm guessing, my guess is they removed the sensor and figured, oh fuck it, it's not plugged into anything, fuck it. And they might have threw away the sensor knowing that we had cut away the arms and the plastic, and as long as you have the sensor plugged in, you don't get any check engine codes. It works just like it's supposed to. Well, here we are again. Car's not done. Now we're hoping for tomorrow. We're hoping for tomorrow now. I'm at a loss for fucking words, man. Now, I'm going to be honest, it's not the body shop's fault about the shaking and the other stuff, right? And let me tell you why, because BMW didn't tell them about it. Like communication is so fucking important. If a body shop brings a car to you, and yes, you're told to fix the rear end, and you do that, but you find something else, you think you might want to tell the body shop and see if they want to get it fixed. Well, they didn't tell the shop anything. They called me on the phone to tell me that one of the porters was driving it and it feels a little vibrating over 40 miles an hour, which would tell me that the rotors are bent or something is not right. I don't know, man. I'm stressed the fuck out now. I'm hot, I'm soaking wet in sweat, and I'm pissed. And it's not, again, it's really not the shop's fault. It's just so fucking aggravating because it's something that should just be done. You know what I'm saying? It just should be fucking done already. And it's not their fault. It's probably not a car that they normally deal with. And now this car, because it has so many goddamn sensors, you know, they took that whole front end apart and, you know, they're probably thinking, oh, this isn't even being used. Let me just unplug this shit and throw this shit away. So there you have it. Pain in the ass. Very aggravating. But, you know, it is what it is. What are you going to do? Absolutely fucking aggravating, man. I guess we'll wait till tomorrow and we'll see what they say. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I know you guys aren't going to fucking believe it. It was nice to drive it, though. I'm not going to lie. Like, when I fired her up and got to run her down the block, and I didn't get to film that part, but I got to drive it. God, it felt good. Feels like my AC's not working at all either. I might need to charge the AC system. We'll see. But now that I'm soaked in sweat, I'm going to go back and take a shower and figure out what the fuck I'm doing for the rest of the day. But there you have it, man. Let me know what you guys think in them comments down below. Unbelievable, man. Am I ever gonna get my shit back?